Hi students, welcome again to class 11th accountancy. And in my previous video I taught you how to make journal entries in question number 14 from NCERT book. So today I have taken the same question, but this time I will show you how to make ledger accounts with the help of these journal entries in question number 14. I repeat, the question is from NCERT book and the question number is 14. These are the journal and I have already solved the question. I have already solved the journal entries of the question, and with the help of these journal entries I will show you how to make ledger accounts. So first, this is, I have taken the format of ledger accounts. So this is the format of ledger account, and the first entry is bad debts. So I have taken first ledger account as bad debts. Now let's solve this ledger accounts. Bad debts is on the debit side, so your entry will be on the debit side. But what entry you will take? The entry which is on the credit side, and the amount is 1000 rupees. Then your second ledger account is, after a complete thorough you can read out that there are only 2 or 3 transactions regarding bad debts. आप थोड़ी सी लाइनें छोड़ के you will leave some space, you will leave 2 or 3 lines, and you will make another ledger account named as Rohit account. Underline this. You can close this ledger account of bad debts with a single line. And Rohit account is your on credit side, so you will write the entry on the credit side, that is by bad debts account, and 1000 will be written on the amount column. No need to write this serial number, particulars, journal folio again and again. You have written at the top, then you will start prepare your ledger accounts. Then we can see that there is only one Rohit account, so we can close this account with 1000 rupees. इस तरफ कोई भी अमाउंट नहीं है, बट we have to equal both debit and credit with 1000 rupees. So you will write to balance carry down 1000 rupees here only. Then let's move towards the next, that is drawings. So you will write drawings account. Just close it with a single line. Rohit account is closed with a single line. Drawings is on your debit side, so you will write purchases on the debit side with 2000 rupees. Transaction number 2. So again there is only one entry named as drawing, so you will close this drawings account also. 2000 rupees on the both side, and here you will write by balance carried down 2000 rupees. Again we close it with a single line. Then let's move to the next is purchases. So you will make the ledger of purchases account. So purchases on the credit side, you will write by drawings account with 2000 rupees. Again you can see that there are no purchases in the other journal entries, so you will close this account also with 2000 rupees, and here you will also write 2000 rupees with to balance carry down, double and close. Remember one thing, you have to double and close each and every ledger account after its completion. Then again make the format on your full page like this. So by doing this you can save your time, and no entry can be left behind. कोई भी एंट्री आपकी छूटेगी नहीं. Serial number, particulars, journal folio, amount. Again serial number, particulars, journal folio, and amount. So this time we will make the ledger of depreciation account. So you will write depreciation account. So depreciation is on the debit side, so you will write to machine account on the debit side with 500 rupees. As there is no other depreciation word in the journal entries, you will close it with 500 rupees on the both side, and balance carried down is also 500. So next is machine account. You will make the ledger of machine account, close it with a single line. Machine is your on your credit side, so you will write by depreciation account on the credit side because there is no other entry named as machinery, you will close the machine account. To balance carried down 500, double and close, again close it with a single line. Then interest on capital account, so make out the ledger of interest on capital account. Again on the debit side you will write to capital account with amount 6750, 6750. We will close this amount with by balance carried down 6750. Then again we will close it with a single line. Move to capital account, so you will write here as capital account, close it. Capital is on the credit side, you will write here by interest on capital account 6750, 6750, double and close. Here you will write 6750 with to balance carried down, again double and close with the capital account. So last is your cash account, bad debts and to Rahul. So you will make cash account here. Now cash is on your debit side. You can see there is one more entry named as bad debts on your debit side. But you will write only credit transaction while preparing your cash account. लिखेंगे क्या? To राहुल अकाउंट, बट अमाउंट वो लिखेंगे जिसका लेजर आप बना रहे हैं. वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग द लेजर ऑफ कैश अकाउंट, सो यू विल राइट द अमाउंट विच इज रिटन बिफोर कैश अकाउंट, दैट इज 1200 rupees. No other entry of cash, so you will again close it by balance carry down 1200, 1200, double and close, double and close. Then bad debts, you have already made the account of bad debts, the number 1 account, so you will not prepare it again, you will just pass the entry. So bad debts is your on debit side, so you will enter, your entry will be on the debit side to Rahul account and the amount which is written before bad debts. Now you will close this account also by balance carry down 1800 rupees and 1800 rupees. Now only one account is left over, that is Rahul account. So you will make Rahul account here. Rahul is on the credit side, so you will write on the credit side by cash account, by bad debts account, because 2 entries are written on the debit side, so you will write all the 2 entries. If there are 3 entries, we will write all 3 entries. If 4 entries, we will write all the 4 entries. You have to write all those entries which are on the debit side when you will make this Rahul account. So before cash you will write 1200, before bad debts you will write 800, then 2000 rupees, double and close, and you will close this account with to balance carry down 2000 rupees, 2000 rupees. So with this you have prepared your all ledger accounts. I hope the question is clear about, you know how to make ledger accounts. Now you can easily make out the ledger accounts of all the other journal entries which you have prepared earlier. Thank you.